Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the Canadian bunny hop. If you're looking for a complete American J-hop, you should look somewhere else. But if you're looking for the first step to doing a complete J-hop, watch till the end of the video. The first step to do a bunny hop is to make sure that you have grippy flat pedals. If you don't, then you should definitely think about it. Grippy pedals really make a difference because you need to push back with your feet. Second step, learn to lift your back tire. It may seem easy, but it's harder than it looks. You're going to grip your shoes hard in your pedals and push back. This back motion lifts your back tire off the ground. Practice this until you get good at it. Third step, this one's probably the easiest. Learn to get your front tire off the ground. First, you're going to want to compress your front shocks. Then, as they're coming back up, pull your handlebars up. This should get your front tire off the ground. Fourth step, putting it together. Once you've got these two moves down, you're going to try doing them together. First, compress your shocks, then push back on your pedals and rear up your front tire together. This is the hardest step. Don't be discouraged if you don't get it at first, but practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that button and turn on notifications for new videos.